Title: Fantasy Love Superpower Saga. Number of steps: 1. Chronicles of Illyria. In a mystical world where each individual possesses a unique superpower known as an Illyrian gift, our story follows a group of diverse heroes who must unite to save their realm from an impending cataclysm. The land of Illyria is divided into magical domains, each ruled by powerful Illyrian monarchs who maintain a delicate balance of power using an intricate system of magical ley lines. These ley lines serve as the lifeblood of the world, and any disruption to them threatens to plunge Illyria into chaos. Amidst the turmoil, two young Illyrians from opposing domains, Seraphina and Arik, discover a forbidden love that defies the boundaries of their society. Their love ignites a series of events that inadvertently disrupt the ley lines, triggering a chain reaction of disasters. Realizing the impending doom, Seraphina and Arik must assemble a motley crew of Illyrians, each with their unique powers, to journey across the breathtaking yet treacherous landscapes of Illyria. Along the way, they form deep bonds, face mythical creatures, and unlock the true potential of their Illyrian gifts. As they delve deeper into the heart of the land, they uncover an ancient prophecy foretelling the emergence of a legendary Illyrian with the power to restore balance to the world. But finding this severe and preventing the impending catastrophe is a race against time. Chronicles of Illyria is an epic tale of love, friendship, and the intricate systems that govern both the magical world and the human heart. It's a story of sacrifice, growth, and the ultimate battle to save a realm teetering on the edge of destruction. Number of steps: 2. The Trials of Illyria. With their motley crew of Illyrians assembled, Seraphina and Arik embark on a perilous journey to restore the disrupted ley lines of Illyria. Alongside them are Phyalin, a skilled shapeshifter with a heart-wrenching past. Luna, a gifted healer whose touch can mend both flesh and soul. Drakar, a stoic warrior who wields the power of elemental fire. Eliara, a mischievous trickster capable of bending reality itself. As they traverse the breathtaking landscapes of Illyria, their bonds deepen, and love blossoms between Seraphina and Arik. But their romance is tested by the weight of their responsibilities and the secrets of Illyria's history. In their quest, they encounter mythical creatures guarding the ley lines, each requiring a unique approach and the clever use of their Illyrian gifts. Alongside these trials, they uncover forgotten lore that reveals the true origins of Illyrian powers and the fate of a previous world-threatening catastrophe. The group's travels lead them to the heart of Illyria, where they must confront the malevolent force behind the disruption of the ley lines, the enigmatic Sorayalith *, a rogue Illyrian intent on harnessing the chaos to gain unimaginable power. As the climactic battle unfolds, Seraphina and Arik must combine their love and powers to face Sorayalith in an epic showdown. In a surprising twist, they discover that the ancient prophecy foretelling a severe was not about a single individual but the unity and love shared among them all. In the end, it's their unwavering bonds, the strength of their love, and their mastery over their Illyrian gifts that allow them to restore the balance of Illyria's ley lines. The realm is saved from chaos, and the Illyrians learn that love is the most potent superpower of all. Chronicles of Illyria. The Trials of Illyria is an epic fantasy saga that explores the enduring power of love, the complexity of human and Illyrian relationships, and the consequences of tampering with the natural order. It's a tale of heroism, redemption, and the enduring legacy of unity in the face of adversity. Number of steps: 3. Legacy of Illyria. After the climactic battle against Sorayalith, the group of heroes returns to a world forever changed. The balance of Illyria's ley lines has been restored, but the scars of their journey remain etched on their hearts. Seraphina and Arik's love, forged in the crucible of adversity, deepens as they navigate the challenges of rebuilding Illyria. Their union symbolizes the unity that saved their realm, and they are crowned as the rulers who will usher in a new era of cooperation among Illyrian domains. However, the legacy of Soriolet's action still looms. Illyrians, once divided by domain rivalries, now must learn to trust one another. The heroes take on the monumental task of establishing a council of unity, where representatives from each domain come together to govern Illyria collectively. As the heroes navigate the complexities of diplomacy and governance, a new threat emerges. A clandestine organization known as the Shadows of Chaos seeks to exploit the lingering vulnerabilities of Illyria's ley lines. Led by individuals who possess twisted Illyrian gifts, they plot to destabilize the world once more. The heroes must confront this new threat, testing the limits of their powers and their law. Along the way, they discover hidden depths within their Illyrian gifts, unlocking abilities that will prove essential in the battles ahead. Amidst the turmoil, Seraphina and Arak must also face personal trials, including the pressures of leadership and the sacrifices required to protect their realm. Their love is a beacon of hope, inspiring others to overcome their differences and unite against the shadows of chaos. In a final, epic confrontation, the heroes confront the leaders of the Shadows of Chaos. Seraphina and Arak's love is put to the ultimate test as they combine their powers in a breathtaking display of unity, leading the charge to protect Illyria's future. Legacy of Illyria is the conclusion to the epic fantasy saga, exploring themes of unity, sacrifice, and the enduring power of love. It's a tale of how individuals, bound by their unique strengths and shared purpose, can shape the destiny of a world and leave a legacy that transcends time. Number of steps 4. The Illyrian Eternity. As the shadows of chaos are vanquished and the unity of Illyria is reaffirmed, peace blankets the land once more. Seraphina and Arak, now revered as the wise rulers of Illyria, oversee a new era of prosperity and cooperation among the domains. Their love story becomes the stuff of legend, an eternal symbol of hope and unity. With the lessons learned from their trials, Illyrians begin to embrace the true potential of their Illyrian gifts, using them not only for personal gain but also to improve the world around them. Innovation and magic flourish, leading to an unprecedented era of technological advancement. The heroes who once saved Illyria remain steadfast friends, with Firelin, Luna, Drucker, and Eliara taking on important roles in the Council of Unity. Together, they ensure that the mistakes of the past are never repeated. As the years pass, Seraphina and Arak's love story endures, inspiring generations to come. They have children who inherit their parents' powers and commitment to Illyria's future. The line of Illyrian rulers becomes a symbol of continuity and stability. However, a new cosmic threat emerges, an ancient celestial being that seeks to devour the magic of Illyria's ley lines to ascend to unimaginable power. The heroes, now aged but still formidable, must reunite for one final quest to protect their world. In a poignant and bittersweet climax, the heroes, including the descendants of Seraphina and Arak, must confront this cosmic entity. The battle tests the limits of their powers and the depth of their law. Sacrifices are made, but Illyria is saved once more, albeit with profound changes. As the cosmic threat is vanquished, the heroes realize that Illyria's magic must be returned to the cosmos to prevent future cataclysms. With heavy hearts, they release the magic, restoring the natural order of the universe. In the aftermath, Seraphina and Arak, now elderly but still deeply in love, retire from their roles as rulers, passing the torch to their descendants. The heroes, forever bonded by their shared adventures, disband, knowing that Illyria is in capable hands. The Illyrian Eternity concludes the saga with themes of sacrifice, generational responsibility, and the enduring nature of love. It's a tale of how love transcends time and how individuals, united by a common cause, can shape the destiny of a world for generations to come. Number of steps 5. Illyria's everlasting harmony. The aftermath of the cosmic threat leaves Illyria forever changed. The magic of the ley lines has returned to the cosmos, but the world is now in a state of natural equilibrium. Illyrians, no longer reliant on their Illyrian gifts, must adapt to a new way of life, embracing both magic and technology in perfect harmony. Seraphina and Arik, in the twilight of their years, retreat to a tranquil garden, their love enduring as strong as ever. Their story becomes a timeless legend, inspiring poets, artists, and lovers for generations. With the heroes disbanded, Phyalin, Luna, Drakkar, and Elyra each find their own paths, contributing to the continued prosperity of Illyria. They pass on their wisdom to new generations, ensuring that the lessons of unity and cooperation are never forgotten. Illyria's Council of Unity evolves into a global assembly, welcoming representatives from realms beyond Illyria. Together, they forge lasting alliances, fostering peace and cooperation throughout the realm. However, the cosmic threat's defeat has unforeseen consequences. The celestial beings' remnants scatter throughout the cosmos, leading to the awakening of ancient cosmic guardians who view Illyria as a potential threat. They send envoys to assess the world's readiness for cosmic interactions. Illyria's leaders must navigate delicate negotiations with these cosmic entities, learning to harness cosmic magic while maintaining their world's balance. It becomes a journey of mutual understanding, resulting in Illyria becoming a beacon of cosmic harmony. In the final chapter, as Seraphina and Arik pass away peacefully, their love transcends the mortal realm, becoming a celestial force that continues to watch over Illyria. Their story becomes a source of guidance and inspiration in times of uncertainty. Illyria's everlasting harmony is a tale of how love, unity, and adaptability can bring enduring peace and prosperity to a world that has faced unimaginable challenges. It's a testament to the power of human and Illyrian connection and the potential for a harmonious existence in a vast and mysterious universe. Number of steps 6. The Illyrian Odyssey. Generations have passed since the cosmic threat, and Illyria thrives as a beacon of cosmic harmony. The world has seen remarkable progress in both magic and technology, thanks to the lessons learned from the cosmic entities. Seraphina and Arik's love story remains eternally celebrated, with statues and monuments erected in their honor. Their spirits continue to guide and protect Illyria in times of need, ensuring that their legacy lives on. Illyria has become a hub of knowledge, attracting scholars and explorers from across the cosmos who seek to understand the secrets of its unique balance. The realm is now a place of multicultural exchange, with inhabitants from various worlds and dimensions coexisting in harmony. However, a new challenge arises as a cosmic rift threatens to unravel the carefully maintained equilibrium of Illyria. The heroes of old, who were now revered as legendary figures, are called upon once again from their celestial abode to guide a new generation of champions. These new heroes, descendants of the original group, inherit not only their ancestors' Illyrian gifts but also their unwavering commitment to Illyria's well-being. They embark on a perilous journey to close the cosmic rift and prevent untold calamity. As the two generations of heroes unite their strengths and wisdom, they face trials that test the very essence of their existence. Love continues to be a driving force, as the bonds between these heroes transcend time, proving that the legacy of Seraphina and Arik is more than just a memory. In the climactic battle against the cosmic rift, the heroes harness both cosmic and Illyrian powers, demonstrating that true power comes from the harmony within. Sacrifices are made, but the rift is sealed, and Illyria's equilibrium is preserved. With the rift closed, the cosmic entities bestow upon Illyria a cosmic blessing, elevating the realm to a higher plane of existence. Illyria becomes a nexus of cosmic knowledge, fostering even greater cooperation among diverse cosmic civilizations. As Seraphina and Arik's spirits watch over the transformed Illyria, their love story continues to inspire generations to come. It is a reminder that love, unity, and the enduring pursuit of harmony can overcome any challenge, ensuring that Illyria's Odyssey is one of everlasting peace and cosmic enlightenment. The Illyrian Odyssey is a grand conclusion to the epic saga, exploring the themes of legacy, unity, and the infinite possibilities that arise when love transcends time and space. It is a testament to the enduring power of human connection in the face of cosmic wonders. Number of steps 7. Illyria's celestial embrace. Illyria, now an elevated realm of cosmic knowledge and harmony, continues to thrive as a beacon of enlightenment. The legacy of Seraphina and Arak's love story endures, not just as a tale but as a living force that touches every corner of the world. The cosmic entities, once viewed as potential threats, have become Illyria's allies and partners in the pursuit of cosmic understanding. Together, they explore the mysteries of the universe, sharing wisdom and knowledge that transcends the boundaries of time and space. New generations of heroes emerge, their Illyrian gifts evolving to encompass cosmic abilities. They are guided by the timeless spirits of Seraphina and Arak, who continue to watch over Illyria with love and wisdom. Illyria's cosmic elevation has attracted the attention of neighboring realms and dimensions, leading to peaceful exchanges of culture, technology, and magic. Illyrians become cosmic ambassadors, fostering peace throughout the cosmos. However, a shadowy force from beyond the known cosmos threatens this newfound harmony. An ancient cosmic entity known as the Void Whisperer seeks to consume all knowledge and plunge the universe into darkness. Illyria, with its unique cosmic insight, becomes the last bastion against this existential threat. The heroes, a diverse group representing various cosmic civilizations, must unite their cosmic and Illyrian powers to confront the Void Whisperer. Love remains the driving force behind their unity, as they draw strength from the eternal bond of Seraphina and Arak. In a climactic battle that transcends reality, the heroes confront the Void Whisperer. Sacrifices are made, but they succeed in imprisoning the entity in a cosmic rift, ensuring its malevolent influence cannot spread. As the cosmic rift seals, the heroes return to Illyria, where they are celebrated as saviors of the cosmos. Illyria's role as a cosmic nexus of knowledge and harmony is further solidified, and its influence extends even further into the cosmos. Seraphina and Arak's spirits, having witnessed this triumph, ascend to become cosmic protectors, watching over not just Illyria but the entire universe. Their love becomes a beacon of hope and inspiration to all civilizations. Illyria's celestial embrace is a fitting conclusion to the epic saga, exploring the themes of cosmic unity, the enduring power of love, and the infinite possibilities of existence. It serves as a reminder that love transcends not only time and space but the very fabric of the cosmos itself. Number of steps 8. Part 8. The Eternal Illyrian Legacy. With the cosmic threat of the Void Whisperer vanquished, Illyria stands as a bastion of cosmic knowledge, wisdom, and harmony in the universe. Its role as a nexus for cooperation and enlightenment continues to thrive, fostering an era of unprecedented prosperity. The legacy of Seraphina and Arak's love story has transcended not only the boundaries of Illyria but the very concept of time. They are revered as cosmic protectors, their spirits embodying the eternal power of love. Illyria's cosmic influence extends to realms and dimensions beyond imagination, with ambassadors and scholars from across the universe seeking to partake in its boundless wisdom. It has become a beacon of unity and cosmic enlightenment. New generations of heroes, inspired by the timeless love of Seraphina and Arak, continue to emerge. They are guided by the spirits of their predecessors, inheriting not only their Illyrian gifts but also their commitment to safeguarding Illyria and the cosmos. Yet, a shadowy cosmic anomaly threatens to disrupt the balance of the universe itself. An entity known as the Cosmic Devourer seeks to consume entire galaxies, casting them into oblivion. Illyria's heroes must unite with allies from cosmic civilizations to confront this unprecedented menace. In a final, awe-inspiring battle, the heroes harness their cosmic and Illyrian powers to face the Cosmic Devourer. Love remains the ultimate source of their strength, as they draw upon the eternal bond of Seraphina and Arak to overcome the unimaginable. Sacrifices are made, but the heroes succeed in sealing the cosmic devourer within a cosmic prison, ensuring that the universe can flourish in peace once more. Illyria's cosmic influence expands further, becoming a beacon of hope for civilizations across the cosmos. Seraphina and Arak's spirits, having witnessed the hero's triumph, ascend to a higher cosmic plane, becoming guardians of the entire universe. Their love transcends all boundaries, offering guidance and inspiration to every corner of existence. The Eternal Illyrian Legacy is the magnificent conclusion to the epic saga, exploring themes of cosmic unity, the enduring power of love, and the boundless potential of existence. It serves as a testament to the idea that love is not just a force of nature but a force that shapes the very fabric of the cosmos itself. Number of steps 8. The Eternal Illyrian Legacy. With the cosmic threat of the Void Whisperer vanquished, Illyria stands as a bastion of cosmic knowledge, wisdom, and harmony in the universe. Its role as a nexus for cooperation and enlightenment continues to thrive, fostering an era of unprecedented prosperity. The legacy of Seraphina and Arak's love story has transcended not only the boundaries of Illyria but the very concept of time. They are revered as cosmic protectors, their spirits embodying the eternal power of love. Illyria's cosmic influence extends to realms and dimensions beyond imagination, with ambassadors and scholars from across the universe seeking to partake in its boundless wisdom. It has become a beacon of unity and cosmic enlightenment. New generations of heroes, inspired by the timeless love of Seraphina and Arak, continue to emerge. They are guided by the spirits of their predecessors, inheriting not only their Illyrian gifts but also their commitment to safeguarding Illyria and the cosmos. Yet, a shadowy cosmic anomaly threatens to disrupt the balance of the universe itself. An entity known as the Cosmic Devourer seeks to consume entire galaxies, casting them into oblivion. Illyria's heroes must unite with allies from cosmic civilizations to confront this unprecedented menace. In a final, awe-inspiring battle, the heroes harness their cosmic and Illyrian powers to face the cosmic devourer. Love remains the ultimate source of their strength, as they draw upon the eternal bond of Seraphina and Arak to overcome the unimaginable. Sacrifices are made, but the heroes succeed in sealing the cosmic devourer within a cosmic prison, ensuring that the universe can flourish in peace once more. Illyria's cosmic influence expands further, becoming a beacon of hope for civilizations across the cosmos. Seraphina and Arak's spirits, having witnessed the hero's triumph, ascend to a higher cosmic plane, becoming guardians of the entire universe. Their love transcends all boundaries, offering guidance and inspiration to every corner of existence. The Eternal Illyrian Legacy is the magnificent conclusion to the epic saga, exploring themes of cosmic unity, the enduring power of love, and the boundless potential of existence. It serves as a testament to the idea that love is not just a force of nature but a force that shapes the very fabric of the cosmos itself. Number of steps 9. Illyria's Cosmic Symphony. Illyria's legacy as a beacon of cosmic knowledge and harmony continues to evolve. Its influence spans across galaxies, connecting civilizations in a universal network of cooperation, enlightenment, and love. The timeless spirits of Seraphina and Arak, now cosmic guardians, have become a source of inspiration and wisdom for beings throughout the universe. Their love transcends not only time and space but the very essence of existence itself. New generations of heroes, bearing the torch of Seraphina and Arak's enduring love, emerge as protectors of Illyria and cosmic harmony. They navigate the cosmic web of alliances and knowledge, preserving the legacy of their predecessors. However, an unprecedented cosmic phenomenon known as the celestial convergence approaches. It threatens to reshape the very fabric of the universe, merging dimensions and realities in unpredictable ways. Illyria's heroes, alongside cosmic allies, must harness their powers and love to navigate this cosmic storm. In a breathtaking climax, the heroes confront the celestial convergence, facing challenges that defy the laws of reality itself. The unity forged by their unwavering love and cosmic abilities allows them to steer the convergence toward harmony, preventing chaos from engulfing the universe. As the cosmic storm subsides, Illyria stands as a cosmic epicenter of balance and enlightenment. The hero's triumph in the face of the celestial convergence solidifies its role as a universal guardian, and Illyria's influence reaches even the most distant corners of the multiverse. Seraphina and Arek's spirits, now elevated to cosmic overseers, continue to guide the universe, offering their love and wisdom to civilizations in need. Their story has become a universal parable, demonstrating the transformative power of love and unity. The Cosmic Symphony of Illyria is a grand culmination of the epic saga, delving into themes of cosmic unity, the transcendence of love, and the boundless possibilities of existence. It serves as a testament to the idea that love is not just a force of nature but a force that shapes the very symphony of the cosmos itself. Number of steps 10. The Cosmic Continuum. Illyria's legacy as a cosmic epicenter of harmony and enlightenment remains unwavering. Its influence spans across dimensions, forging bonds between civilizations and realities beyond imagination. The spirits of Seraphina and Arek, now cosmic overseers, have transcended the boundaries of existence itself. Their love is an eternal beacon of guidance and inspiration, offering wisdom to cosmic beings across the continuum. New generations of heroes rise to carry the torch of Seraphina and Arek's love, embracing the responsibilities of cosmic guardianship. Their journeys take them to realms uncharted, as they explore the cosmic continuum, a tapestry of interconnected realities. However, a cosmic anomaly of unprecedented magnitude, the nebulous nexus, threatens to unravel the fabric of existence. The heroes, in cooperation with allies from diverse dimensions, must confront this enigmatic force, wielding their powers and love to preserve the cosmic continuum. In an awe-inspiring climax, the heroes face the nebulous nexus, navigating surreal challenges that challenge their perception of reality. The unity born from their unwavering love and cosmic abilities allows them to steer the anomaly toward cosmic equilibrium, averting a cataclysmic rupture in the continuum. As the cosmic crisis subsides, Illyria stands as the guardian of the cosmic continuum. The hero's triumph cements its role as a nexus of balance and wisdom, with its influence extending to dimensions and realities previously untouched. Seraphina and Arek, now cosmic luminaries, continue their celestial watch over the continuum. Their story has transcended storytelling, becoming a universal fable, demonstrating that love is not only a force that shapes the cosmos but the very essence that binds the universe together. The Cosmic Continuum Unveiled is a magnificent continuation of the epic saga, exploring themes of interdimensional unity, the transcendence of love, and the infinite possibilities of existence. It serves as a testament to the idea that love is the thread that weaves the tapestry of the cosmic continuum, ensuring that harmony prevails across all realities.